Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm Prakash, founder of Brandrake, the premium brand studio. In today's video, I will take you through the creative journey behind a logo which I designed for high-performance battery manufacturing brand, Reagle Power. And the challenge is to create a logo that's not only bold and modern, but also capture the essence of speed, power, precision, all in one symbol. Considering all these things and the client's seriousness about his brand and presence, I started working toward the logo design. And I want you to stay till end of this video just to see how I executed this whole process from mind mapping to sketching to logo designing and branding. So first let's understand client requirements. The brand name is Reagle Power. Logo type, client want logo to be modern, bold, abstract and timeless kind of. So let's see the industry. Client company manufactures high performing batteries. Let's see the logo direction. Client clearly mentioned we want a stylized lettermark logo R. Maybe we can go for RP, but client want R to be preferable. Inclusion of an eagle head, or maybe we can go for full eagle in the logo. A lightning bolt just because it's a battery manufacturing company, and the target audience are those who manufactures electric vehicle. So now let's jump into the next part, which is mind mapping. So when I thought about Reagle Power, since it was a battery manufacturing company, so a few things came in mind like power and energy. So these were the words and the points which I mentioned around it, which are related to the power energy, like fast charging, electricity, volt, charge. These were the things. And plus client clearly mentioned he wanted an eagle to be incorporated in the logo. What eagle represent, those words and those pointers I mentioned around it, like precision, speed, strength, sharp vision, focus, leadership, elevation. Of course, while designing logo, we cannot sideline thinking about brand value. Obviously, when we end up some kind of logo, we have to make sure that logo must capture the value of client brand. And finally, what I thought about in terms of creating logo mark, so I thought I will include letter R plus eagle plus lightning bolt. The symbol is something like this. With these themes in mind, I moved into the sketching phase. I experimented with different combination of R, eagle and lightning, trying to balance readability with symbolism. Some sketches focused on eagle's head merging with R, while others incorporated the lightning bolt directly into the font to add more energy and movement. I was happy and satisfied because the sketch design which was finalized that met the client requirement. So finally, these are the sketches I'm done with. This is the one which was finalized. Let's jump into the vectorization process and let's go for branding as well. In the meantime, I had brief conversation with the client where client revealed his thought and what he was envisioning about his brand, Reagle Power. He said Reagle Power is a futuristic battery company that wanted logo to reflect few things like their advanced energy, technology, the raw power behind their product, and a bold, aggressive presence in the market. In order to make logo presentable, I used different mock-ups so that client could have an idea about how it's gonna look when client uses the logo in different places. In final deliverable, I provided client black and white version as well. Thanks for watching and let me know in the comment box which design did you like most or which direction would you have explored. If you really enjoy breakdown of logo design process like this, don't forget to hit like button, share and subscribe my channel for more amazing update in the future. Thank you.